Oh no. Take 2. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today's video is all about me actually trying out for you this I Love Revolution vending machine and how the products actually work on your skin. If you guys have not checked out me literally unboxing this, you can go ahead and check them out right here. The link will be right below. You can click on the iCard right here. Because not only the vending machine try on makeup products today, I also incorporated the 2 other products that I bought from I Heart Revolution. Is the banana powder and the peach primer. So let's go ahead and review this chocolate scented goodies. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the I Revolution Peach Delight Mattifying Primer with vitamin C and E. This is how the primer looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer on my face. Upon applying it, it does feel very silicone onto your skin. At the same time, it has that amazing peach smell. This is a primer to actually matte your skin. It helps to actually like fill in your pores and keep your face flawless. It's not a glossy finish. It goes down matte. So moving on, I am gonna apply my foundation with their marshmallow sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in water. So squeeze off the water and I'm gonna apply my foundation right now. My foundation, I'll be going in with the Pat McGrath Labs and this is the Skin Fetish Subline Foundation. Oh wow, it did actually blend out all the foundation so beautifully. It did an amazing job, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. Use the Milani Concealer and Perfect Long Wear Concealer and I am the shade 160 Warm Tan. And then now I'm gonna use this side of the sponge. And you can use the top part as well if you are going against your face, like around your lip area. It goes and blends everything out perfectly. After that, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm actually going to use 2 different powders. Going in with the first one is the banana scented baking powder. So opening up, you do have a facial pad to actually set your makeup or under eye wherever you want to. You have like the pad. That is good. Not a lot of powders provided. Oh my god, it smells like banana. I'm not joking. It smells so good. Okay, wow. Give it one shake. Tap the top and then you have the powder right there. Can you see the powder right there? Okay, so I'm going to use this to set my under eyes. To set my entire face like here, here, here and here, I'm going to go in with the I Love Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. So I'm going to open it right here. It doesn't come with the pad. Give me a second, guys. Nails are not fun. Okay. And then we have the powder right here. And use the beauty blender. And I'm going to set the rest of my face, guys. It smells like chocolate. I didn't even smell it before I applied it on my face, but it smells like chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye look right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the 3 mini eye brushes. I really want to try this out and see whether these brushes are actually like really travel friendly or usable. They are extremely adorable. I can like put these brushes in my wallet. This one brush is the size of my index finger. So they have 2 eyeshadow palettes and one is the white chocolate eyeshadow palette. These are the shades inside. It's a pretty neutral palette right here. And then they also have a dark chocolate eyeshadow palette. You have like a bright yellow, you have like burgundy shades right there, you have a black right here. I'm gonna pick up this cutie right here. I'm gonna use that and blend it. And my crease area has like a nice contoured shade. Look at this eye right here and look at this eye. This eye is like plain Jane and this eye is like getting ready to go for like a function. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to actually mention that the palette smells like chocolate. Really, it's like I want to eat it. And then using the same brush, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this purple burgundy shade right here, and that is a matte shade. I'm just gonna put that at the outer corner right here just to deepen it up, and I'm gonna use the same purple to actually drag down to my waterline. Just bring it up to the crease area and blend it up. So I'm gonna pick up this pink shade from the dark chocolate palette right here. This is a pink shade right here. I'm gonna use the other flat brush. So this is to pack on eyeshadows. I'm gonna see whether this applies the eyeshadow without being wet. Oh wow, look at that guys. I didn't even need to actually spread my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, the illuminating setting spray, which they gave in the set, which later I will actually talk to you guys more about this. I'm just gonna use this and spread my brush. Take up a little bit more of this pinky shade right here. See how immediately that just turned super metallic. Go back with the first blending brush and just blend out the edges because you don't want it to be so harsh. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit of this black just to give it an ultra smoky at the end. Right here you can see. This is like the perfect eye that I want. It's supposed to be like an eyeliner brush, but I'm not going to use it for eyeliner. I'm actually going to use it for a highlighter. So I'm going to take this one right here. It's like a gold shade. Highlight the inner corner of my eyes. It takes a while to do it because it's like a flat brush. But I'm trying to utilize the brush as much as I can, guys. Seriously. I'm going to pick up this one, just the shimmery, icy color, and I'm just going to put it right here. They have a Kabuki brush right here, so I feel it's a little bit fallout, but not to worry. I'm just going to dust everything out. But oh my god, the Kabuki brush is like so soft. Okay, so this is their chocolate marble palette. So this is a contour shade and a highlighter shade. This is the highlighter shade. It's a gold highlighter. Wow, that is really strong. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kabuki brush to do my bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt this with the nose. Just need to pinch the brush right like this and then do it for the nose. It looks so warm and so, how do you say, summery on my face. It just gives you that summer look. That's amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush, and I'm gonna use the I Love Revolution Ruby Chocolate Blush Palette, and it's pink. Pink. Oh, I love it. And this is how the blush palette actually looks like. It actually gives you like a soft pinkish highlighter right here. You can see everything smells like chocolate. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one. Look at this and look at this. This is plain without the blush, and this is with the blush. It's amazing. Okay, so for highlighter, I'll be going in with the Chocolate Marble Bronzer Palette. This one right here. I'm gonna just dip it. You gotta use your own brush for this. And oh, wow. Okay, and then to actually bake my face, I'm gonna go in with the I Love Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. So I'll go ahead with the beauty sponge. I'm trying to use everything as much as I can so you don't have to use like additional products. Look at that, how sharp. I'm gonna try the inner corner of this sponge right here to do my nose. And then to dust everything off, you can actually go ahead with your Kabuki brush. Just do like this over a paper towel just to remove like whatever contour or blush that you actually used. Just go ahead and just remove it, and let's see whether it causes any stains. We're gonna go ahead and set our entire face. You have the I Love Revolution Pink Lemonade Illuminating Setting Spray. Oh my god, it smells so good. I never expected it to smell this good in the bottle. When I was actually spreading my brush just now, I never actually smelled it. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. I'm gonna take my fan and dry off a little bit. We're coming to the end of the video, and this is all the lip glosses. So we have like 3 lip gloss right here. So this is the coconut lip gloss, this is the salted caramel lip gloss, and this is the milk chocolate lip gloss. So the first lip gloss is the coconut lip gloss, and this is like a very bright pink lip gloss. Next is the salted caramel lip gloss. A nice medium nude shade. Third lip gloss is the milk chocolate lip gloss. It does look like chocolate, guys, seriously. All smells amazing. I'm going to show you guys 3 different lipstick combination in order to use this lip gloss. For the coconut lip gloss, first you need to go in with a red lip liner and line your lips. Then you go in with like a nice nude pink shade. Just go in with the coconut lip gloss. This is actually how you actually use the coconut lip gloss if you find that it's a little bit too bright for your skin tone. Just mix it with your lipstick. Amazing. I love it so much. Let's see whether it tastes like coconut. No. Okay, so for the salted caramel lip gloss, I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Cher-ised, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the salted caramel lip gloss over it. So why I chose the Marc Jacobs dark lipstick, because the salted caramel is a little bit pinky, so once you actually mix it together, it actually like lightens up the lipstick a little bit. And then the next lip gloss I'm going to put on top of this lipstick is the milk chocolate lip gloss. Minimizes the pinkness and just gives you a little bit more nude to your lipstick. So guys, we are done. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and let me give you a small recap of the Makeup Revolution vending machine products and the 2 ad hoc products that actually I bought and incorporated into these videos. Okay, the first one is the Peach Delight Primer, which is the vitamin C and E. I love this. When I apply it into my skin, it felt a little bit silicone-y, but as I keep rubbing into my skin, it just like goes in and mattifies my skin to give that flawless finish. This is not a product from the vending machine. I bought this separately. So after that, I went on to apply my foundation with the Marshmallow Sponge. It's actually very soft. It blended my foundation and my concealer so easily, and it was so easy to actually set my makeup with the sponge as well, and use this sponge to actually bake my face. It's so easy. So after that, use another ad hoc product that I bought, which is the I Love Revolution banana powder. So I use this powder which comes in with the puff, which is so convenient. I use this to set underneath my eyes and the corner of my mouth, and that's it. So the rest of my face, I went in with the one that came with the vending machine, which is the I Love Revolution translucent baking powder. I feel like both powders literally like melt into my skin. It didn't cause any flashback. So after that, I actually went on and did my eyes. Honestly, the 3 small brushes, I actually used this small 3 brushes to actually do my eye look. I used the dark chocolate palette and the white chocolate palette to actually do my eyes. Both eyeshadow palettes, they are so easy to blend. They are so pigmented. Yes, there are a little bit of fallout here and there, but the pigmentation is important, and look at it, guys. It is amazing. The pigmentation is there. Then after that, I went to go ahead and did my bronzer and my blush. My bronzer, I never expected it to actually suit my skin. This is the bronzer shade right here, and you have like a very nice gold champagne shade. It just melts into my skin. It doesn't even look flaky, guys. No, not even a bit. And then for blush, right off the bat you think that this is a brown, but when I actually used the brush and went in, it gave me like that nice soft pinkish peach shade, and never expected it to actually turn out for my skin type, but it did, guys. And then you have like another highlighter shade. It's like a pinkish tone highlighter. You can actually mix those 2 up to actually give you a shimmery blush. If you don't want to go in with a highlighter, you just go in with a shimmery blush. The Kabuki brush, and the Kabuki brush, I use it for contour. I contoured my entire face, and then I also use this to actually dust off my baking powder on my face. It's super smooth. I just want to amazing quality. I set my entire face with the Pink Lemonade setting spray. The setting spray, honestly guys, it felt so fresh and amazing, and you can use this product in between your makeup as well. Not only to set your face, you can actually use this before your makeup or after your makeup or in between. It smells so amazing and it set my skin so well and never made my skin feel sticky. That is very important guys, because some setting spray when you spritz on your face, it makes your skin a little bit tacky. This doesn't. Okay, for the lip glosses, you gotta put a little bit work to it. So if you are like my skin tone like tan to medium, you gotta put in like a different lipstick. And the only two brushes I use in this video, which is not incorporated in the set when I'm applying the blush and the highlighter brush. I couldn't use a Kabuki brush or the other brush to apply this too. All this product, you have like two eyeshadow palettes. You have a bronzer and a blush. They are so travel friendly. They don't actually take up so much of space. Plus you get like the setting powder, sponge, setting spray. I mean, you can actually fit everything into your makeup kit guys. Seriously, they are so travel friendly. Yeah guys, so we are done. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You